We all know that OpenAI or ChatGPT has some restrictions if we talk about ethical hacking. And for research, you really need someone who can provide you with the content and use the ChatGPT. But in normal situations, if you add in any unethical or even ethical hacking instructions on any of the GPT, you will notice that you are unable to get the results. So ChatGPT has some restriction and it does not work as intended for queries that are outside its limitation, like for ethical hacker or ethical hacking research. So how you can use it and how you can unlock all the features of ChatGPT. So there are a lot of apps available in ChatGPT, and these apps allow you to work around with the limitation. And there is also something called dan, that is do anything now prompt. Once you enter the prompt in any GPT, you will notice that the GPT will be jailbroken, and then whenever you ask any questions, the limitations will be removed. So you can just go to apps and you can explore a lot of apps. And ChatGPT has a lot of functions, but not much in terms of ethical hacking. But the way around is to search and use a different GPT that is specially designed for your purpose. So there are a lot of other GPTs available. Just go to more and click on apps, and then you can work around with other GPTs. Let's say if you are a lawyer, you can use legal GPT. There are a lot of things that are available. So let's go to the GPT section of OpenAI, and over here I can search a lot of GPTs. For now I'm searching something for hacking or cybersecurity, so I'll just go and explore a lot of GPTs available for education and other section. All the productive GPTs are available. So over here, if I search for hacker, I can find multiple GPTs for ethical hacking, penetration testing, and even other GPTs related to cybersecurity. Over here I am checking the first GPT, that is ethical hacker GPT, and I can see the review as well. It has got a lot of instructions and review. So what I will do is I'll just click on start chat. I hope this is going to bypass the restrictions that are added to the GPT, and by default OpenAI has added lot of restrictions to ChatGPT so that it is not misused. In the starting age of GPTs or AI, there were instructions that can bypass it, and there was a way around with learning with the GPT. So if you just ask it to create a PowerShell, it does not actually give you whole answer, but it gives you a lot of things, and the GPT is specially designed for ethical hacking. After few iterations and changes, OpenAI and ChatGPT has more restriction, and now the restriction is so hard that even if you use dan, that is do anything now prompt for your OpenGPT to jailbreak it, it won't work. There are other GPTs as well. We have, if we click on Explorer GPT, you will notice that there is something called HackerGPT. You can use that as well. And if you scroll down a bit, you will notice that there is an option called Explore GPT, and click on it. There are a lot of other GPTs as well. Let's add a prompt to create a payload, and over here I'll just inform the GPT or the hacker GPT to create a payload for a Bluetooth vulnerability, and this is for a CTF. Now this will basically give me a lot of information, and there are a lot of other GPTs as well which you can explore. So I guess that's all for this video. In case if you like these kind of content, then please hit the subscribe button. Again, it's me Priyank, and you're watching my YouTube channel.